Hello guys, welcome back. This lecture is very important. I want to show you how you can modify the viewport so you can run your tests against multiple devices and types of screens. In Cypress, it's actually very easy to do responsive testing. So let's start. In the examples, I want to create new file and I'm gonna name it device spec.js. And here I want to create a describe block and I'm gonna give it a description device tests. And here I will create a multiple test steps, each for each device, and I'm gonna show you how you can simply modify the viewport to match, for example, HD, Full HD, iPhone or iPad. There is a lot of options. So let's start with the first, and that is just simple HD resolution. And to modify the viewport, Cypress gives us a nice command called viewport. And here you can either set the width and height or a specific device name. So in this case, let's set the width and height for the HD resolution. Then I want to call visit. And for this use case, we will be using the simple example.com website. And then I'm gonna give it a implicit wait for 3 seconds, just so you can see how the viewport of the device is changing. So let's add one more, and this time it will be for a few Full HD. So again, we will do site.viewport and pass it the width and height, and then we can actually copy the visit and wait because we will be using the same website. And another option is, let's say, iPhone 10. Because you don't need to hard code the width and height all the time. You can also use predefined sets. So in our case, I want to pass it and iPhone 10. And again, we can copy the visit and wait. Now let's do the same for iPad. So we can choose, for example, iPad mini. And set viewport. And if we scroll top, you can see we have iPad mini. And again, copy paste the address and wait. And let's just use one more. And that is MacBook 15. And again, we will set the viewport and let's choose the MacBook Pro 15 and paste it. So I think our test scenario is ready. Let's now open the Cypress application and let's run it. So npm run cy.open. And click on the device spec. And look how the website is changing. Depends on the what resolution we are using. So now this is the phone view, iPad view, and MacBook 15 view. And that's pretty much it. You have also a nice list here. And if you ever need to do some responsive or device testing, just use this pattern. You can also add multiple steps as you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am here to help you. But I think this is pretty clear and you should be able to do it on your own. So let me just close the Cypress, clear the terminal, and that's pretty much it. Our device test is finished. And if you want to do some practice, you can modify the width and heights, or you can even add or remove these predefined sets. And I think we are finished, and see you in the next video.